Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday, 12th of October. Time check 4:09 everyone. And the weather for today is about 14. Pero, ayan, kagabi kasi umulan. Kaya ganyan ang daan. So, 14, hindi masyadong malamig. Huwag lang humangin. Kaya lang nalalamigan ay dahil humahangin. So, that's it everyone. And kailangan kong umuwi ng maaga. No, daan-daan sa kung saan-saan. Because magpa-breakfast tayo kay nanay. Ako ang caregiver ngayon until 1 o'clock or 3 p.m. So that's it everyone. Breakfast, bathroom, breakfast, and nappy, lunch, and then nappy again. Yeah, that's the schedule of my mom for the daytime. So, God bless us all. See you later after 6 hours, everyone. Bye at the moment. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Ang sarap nitong tinapay na to talaga. Tap. Ayan, good morning everyone. Update, time check, 9:12. So, ano? Patid! Baka po, ano, ayan, mag-train ako everyone. I'm using the train para mabilis. Kasi kailangan ko nandun na kay nanay. At hindi makakapasok daw ang kuya. So, ayun lang everyone. See you later. No, my train is already here, everyone. Glory is to God.
Vision Circle Line train via Victoria and Embankment. The next station is Sloane Square.
My second train, everyone. I'm already here in Westminster. So, see you later.
Circle and District line. Exit here for Westminster Abbey and Houses of Parliament.
Way out everyone. Oh, way out everyone. Time to 9:51. Dito tayo. The bus is there, 266. On the other side also, it's 266. So, nearly at the house, everyone. Need to walk for 8 minutes. So, see you later. Time check. 9:56. Sumikat din si Haring Araw, everyone. Kahit sabihin mong may araw, pero malamig pa rin siya. Yan yan. That is the sun. Yan. So, uwi na tayo, everyone. At siguradong si nanay ay banyong-banyo na. Hallelujah. May papi dito. Kanina yung papi na yun. See you, bye! Pakita ko sa inyo dito yung lavender na may mga bulaklak. Ayan. Hinarvest na nila. Na-harvest na nila pero may amoy pa rin. Ayan, kasi may konti pang bulaklak. Ayan. Bango. Something like this. So, dito kahit malayo pa ang New Year, may paputok na. Maraming tao ang pumuputok. That's it, everyone. Ang ganda ng kalangitan. Hindi mo maintindihan kung kulimlim o ano ba. So, yun lang. See you later, everyone. I'm home. Good morning. Good morning. So, good morning ba?
Good morning pa.
Oo, good morning pa. Anong oras?
Alas 10.
Alas 10. Brunch na siya. Yan lang. Nag-train. Uwi. Facial care time. Time check, 10:49. After bathroom, facial care naman siya. Oh, ayan ang nanay ko.
Libag talaga yun.
Absent ang kanyang caregiver, kaya eto na naman. See? Ito. After this, saka pa lang siya mag-breakfast, everyone. Breakfast brunch. BB time. Hi, BB. BP time while watching TV Patrol. Ano naman yan? Patalastas? Eto lang ang binibili kong pinya. Pag gustong pinya, ayan. Tapos, blueberries. Magprutas kami ni nanay ngayon. Kasi nagluto na ako ng ulam. 138/65. Rice is life, everyone. Time check. 12:00.
Ano lang mag-drive ng badyan nila na liko, kaliwa, di ba? Ay, ganun po kayo, ganda. Hindi ko kuminanay. Ganun po. Sabi ko sa'yo na Kaya ako, bawa, kaya ko mag-ilas ba? Oo. Pag ganito, sasakay ka lang mga bus. Di ba naman? Kasi yung ganito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Time check, 15:17. 3:17, everyone. So, after ng care group, pasok tayo, everyone. Para sa ekonomiya, everyone. And meron akong masasalubong na magandang dalago. Di ko alam kung kanino tong lahi. Ayan, si Frances. How are you? Sunday mo si Franco? Okay. Take care. Favorites everyone.
This train terminates at North Road.
This is Baker Street. This is a Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate.
Way out, everyone. 15:59. Going up, everyone. Before it's 6 people, but now it's 4. Yan, dito na tayo, everyone, sa aking area. So, ang klase dito. And today is Wednesday. Klase to. Uwian time, everyone.
The next station is Liverpool Street. Change for the Central Line, the Elizabeth Line, London Overground, and National Rail Services.